What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So it's time to do the battle of the cameras in all low light between the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the Galaxy Note 20. Now, both of these devices are king supreme. So let's go ahead and put these two titans together in all low light. Now, I make two dedicated videos, one low light and one daytime. Before I start my video, let's go ahead and clean the camera lens because there's no excuses on this YouTube channel. Clean the camera lens on both devices, and we're gonna see which one is king supreme. That's what I'm talking about. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is all low light. Now, let's go on and zoom in and so we can see how good or how bad these cameras are at low light. So let's go and zoom in with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now, I'm zooming in 20 times zoom there, and let's go 20 times zoom on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now, let's see if I can put that together. Here it is. See? 20 times zoom, Dillard sign, there it is. You be the judge for yourself. So I have this myth that if you want to see how good or how bad a camera is, you have to shoot it in low light. Now, look at the stabilization on both devices as I walk here, and you be the judge for yourself. Now, look at that. Look at that rock. Beautiful. Beautiful in low light. There it is. Look at the details. And there it is. All right, so let's go on and walk some more. Look at the truck as I walk. Look at the lens flare. Okay. As you see the truck, kind of dirty. Haven't had a chance to wash it. But yeah, here it is. Let's look at that sign. See how dirty the truck is? Look at the detail. Oh yeah, I got to wash the truck. So this is the rear cameras of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Galaxy S21 Ultra.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so this is the front-facing camera on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, Galaxy S20 Ultra. You be the judge for yourself for looking at this. Pretty interesting. Look at that. I'm getting some artifact in with the Galaxy S20 Ultra. It's the first time I'm seeing that. Okay. Well, maybe it may not show up after I put this in post, but me looking at the viewfinder right now, I'm getting some very horrible artifacting on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. some really horrible artifacting. Now, I can tell you that I wiped the camera lens on both devices, but I'm just looking at the viewfinder and I'm not liking what I see. But hey, it is what it is. You get to see it for yourself, or maybe not. Maybe it will process it out after I close it off. But hey, it is what it is. Look at the background. You be the judge for yourself. So there it is. Here it is. All right, so before I end this video, I rebooted the device, and I'm doing this in full HD instead of 4K on the front-facing camera. I did want to stop the video and end the video with an explanation on why I was getting digital images in the video that you just saw. So this is the front-facing camera of the Galaxy S21, and I'm not getting any digital artifacting. Yes, I am a little digital artifacting, and I'm seeing, wow, okay, so I'm getting some digital artifacting here, even at 1080p. So look like we got an issue here at 1080p and 4K on the front-facing camera on the Galaxy S21. I want y'all guys to see that. Look like I got some type of situation. Now in the daytime, when I did the daytime video, I did not have this issue, but at night I'm having this issue. So I want y'all guys to see this in real time. Before I end this video, I want y'all guys to see that now it's not having the artifacting as the background is black, but as I get into the light, look at that. Okay, so when I get into the light, look like we got some artifacting going on the Galaxy S21. Look like it's like a rain effect, but yeah. So this is 1080p 30 frames per second. The first footage y'all guys saw was 4K 30 frames per second, but yeah, we got some issues here, guys. Oh yeah. All right, so it's not showing it, but once we get into it a little more, it's not showing it anymore. So maybe a software update might fix this, but yeah, we got some issues with the front-facing camera on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Wow. All right, I just want to make sure y'all guys see this part of the video, because I dropped it I went from 4K to 1080p, and I was getting digital artifacting that's going on with the device right now. That is crazy. All right, it is what it is. Look at that. Wow. Okay, there it is. Peace.